All right, damn right, I got knives here with another knife review. Gonna start with this right here. Roots Radics, 12 inches of dub. It's kind of like the Velvet Underground peel your banana thing. I've never peeled this. It's got great artwork and I just want to keep it as it is. This was recorded at Channel 1 Studios with the engineer of Ernest Hookham. Mixed at King Tubby's Studios, and the engineer there was the scientist. Look at that artwork. 12 inches of dub. And this version is banana yellow. All right. Another great dub record. Roots Radics, 12 inches of dub. Moving along. I'm drinking this, some Modern Times, local San Diego brewery, Fruitlands, sour tropical fruit goose, Modern Times. I've had this stuff before, it's good. That's a nice beer right there. All right, moving along. Tonight we got this here on the table, see? And I've already opened this and had this, and I just wanted to put it back in the packaging. I wanted to show you something I'm not very fond of here. It came like this. This top kind of comes off really easily, but then you take it out of here, which is like this cardboard thing, and it comes in a see-through tube, almost looking like some futuristic embryo thing. I don't know. Looks like it's some, I don't know. It's just not, it comes apart, you know. It just doesn't look that elegant for what is in here. Not good packaging for one of the most beautiful knives that I have. And that's the interesting part to this. And I'm going to show you something here. This knife is not easy to come by. It was a little bit difficult for me to find this version. Comes with some instructional info, some details about the knife. So this right here, I ended up getting it from Warthog Knives and Jewelry in Scottsdale, Arizona. They were really nice, sent it to me right away. Super easy to deal with, and I would definitely buy from them again if they had something I wanted. Check them out. I'll have a link to them below. Integral frame, one solid piece of titanium. The LIONSTEEL TS1 Damascus lizard pattern with the shiny titanium handle. With this sun pattern that wraps around the handle all the way to the other side. The craftsmanship and design aspect of this knife is amazing. It really is. The milling that had to go on, the attention to detail, the elegance of this knife does not match the packaging, but that doesn't matter. This knife is beautiful. There, you have the lizard print Damascus. The shape of this blade and the whole shape of the knife all together is absolutely beautiful. And you open this with that right there. This knife is made in Italy. By a company called LIONSTEEL. And I picked some reggae to go with the lion. Reggae lion. Italian reggae man. Knife.
Maybe we can eat pizza sometime.
A reggae man with a pizza.
Let's bring you a taste of the Caribbean with the delicious new Reggae Pizza. Mozzarella, roast chicken, peppers, tomatoes, pineapple, and original Reggae sauce.
And a knife. And a lion. Beautiful, sexy, elegant, gentleman's carry. This is a knife I won't be taking with me very often, unless I'm going to do something really special. This is a knife that is just admired and kept beautiful for many, many years. I might never carry this. The total length is 7.68 inches. The blade length is 3.35 inches. The blade thickness is 0.14. The total weight is 3.53 ounces. The blade steel is the Chad Nichols stainless Damascus. Chad Nichols is made and known for making a lot of different blade steels, Damascus, and it's top quality, amazing stuff. Has the lizard pattern. Has a frame lock. Integral frame lock. That frame is part of the titanium that's part of the handle, and the lock comes by pushing it, and it's all one piece here connected to this, and you can see that there, shiny chromed. So this design here is by a guy named Robert Young Pelton, an author, journalist, documentary filmmaker, but also an adventurer and a knife enthusiast. This is a gentleman's EDC. All right, let's see how sharp it is. All right, not the sharpest knife out of the box, but still very sharp. Let's take a look at the centering. Spot on. Blade play. Absolutely zero anywhere. Really, really solid lockup. This is an L-Max steel. And I forget what kind of washers are in here. And I don't want to open it, but it's like a plastic or some linen. I forget what it's called. Let's look at the size compared to some other knives. Got Spyderco Paramilitary. Benchmade 940. And something also interesting that has the integral frame and a frame lock is the Draco. Very similar in a sense as well. And there you have it. Let's put these away. The LIONSTEEL TS1 Damascus Lizard Gray. With the very shiny handles. I love this knife. The feel is good in your hand. The weight is nice. The edge is okay. The lock type and deployment is great. The pocket clip feels good. It looks like a really nice deep carry pocket clip. I can't say I've ever actually worn it yet in my pocket. The size is nice. The handle. If you ever get a craving for something like this, I can tell you that this is a great knife. Just solid. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. That's gonna wrap it up. This is Damn Right I Got Knives, signing out. See you next time.